After having spent 25 years in the film industry, Vikram Bhatt finally launched his web series. And guess who the lead actress is? Hi Shama.
Hi.
Shama, tell us, you had no idea about the whole concept of BDSM. At least that's what we heard on the launch. How did you manage the role with that kind of ambiguity?
Obviously, we've all read 50 Shades of Grey, so I have some idea about BDSM, but I've never really come across anyone who's done it or who's into it. People like that often sort of hide themselves. It's very sad, but that's the fact. But the role was so powerful and challenging. There were so many emotions to portray. I actually went online and I did a big research on BDSM and everything.
Okay, and what were the challenges?
Another challenge for me, most of the times all the characters that I've done have had something similar in me. I'm very fearless. I'm very outspoken. I love to show my emotions, my feelings. Sonia for me was a little bit of a challenge because I had to connect somewhere. I had to understand what exactly is this girl all about, because she hides. She fears to an extent where she gets panic attacks. But I didn't know. Vikram had this idea that she starts breathing really fast and I was like, oh my god, I don't want it to look like I'm overacting or something. But then he said, no, you have to feel it and you have to do it like that. Then I spoke to a few people who gets panic attacks. To connect with that fear that Sonia has, to connect with that shame and guilt that she has, was a little challenging for me. I understood that he wanted me to surrender because the role of Sonia is submissive. And I am not submissive.
Okay, so I have a few naughty questions for you. Dominant or submissive?
Dominant.
Okay, if you were dominant, what would your ace move be?
I would like to spank.
Okay, what about being a submissive? What would you expect from your partner?
If I am a submissive, I want my partner to understand what I want and do what I want, what I like, because I'll turn into a dominant very fast otherwise.
Lastly, what's your one piece of advice to any youngster who's planning or fantasizes about the BDSM world?
I just want to say to everyone that there is no shame in anything. I had bipolar disorder because I didn't connect to my human self. I neglected that human self. Be yourself, love yourself, and then nothing can stop you in the world.